Unsupervised learning, the brain behind intelligent systems that learn from patterns without any human intervention. 1. Introduction to clustering and association algorithms. What is unsupervised learning? In the world of machine learning, there are two major branches: supervised and unsupervised learning. While supervised learning relies on labeled data to make predictions, unsupervised learning operates differently. Here, algorithms learn from the patterns and structure of unlabeled data. Types of unsupervised learning algorithms. Clustering algorithms. K-means, hierarchical clustering. Association algorithms. Apriori. Unsupervised learning primarily focuses on two major tasks: clustering and association. Clustering algorithms, like K-means and hierarchical clustering, group data points that are similar to each other. On the other hand, association algorithms, such as the Apriori algorithm, help in identifying relationships between variables in large datasets. 2. Clustering algorithms, K-means and hierarchical clustering. Let's dive into the most popular clustering algorithms, K-means and hierarchical clustering. K-means clustering. K-means is one of the most commonly used clustering algorithms. It works by dividing data into K-clusters, with each cluster having a centroid. The algorithm minimizes the distance between each point and its assigned cluster's centroid. It's an iterative process until the clusters stabilize. K-means is widely used in market segmentation, document categorization, and even image compression. Hierarchical clustering. Dendrogram, a hierarchical tree-like structure. Hierarchical clustering builds a hierarchy of clusters. It works by either agglomerative methods, where each data point starts as its own cluster and is merged, or divisive methods, where we start with one cluster and split it into smaller ones. This method produces a dendrogram, which shows the hierarchy of clusters and allows users to choose the best number of clusters. Hierarchical clustering is particularly useful when you need to understand the data's natural hierarchy, such as in gene expression data or text analysis. 3. Association algorithm. The Apriori algorithm. While clustering helps us group similar data, association algorithms uncover hidden relationships between variables. Supermarket environment with products. Let's look at the Apriori algorithm. Imagine a supermarket trying to analyze customer buying patterns. The Apriori algorithm helps identify frequent item sets, combinations of items that often appear together. For instance, customers who buy bread may often buy butter too. The algorithm uses these frequent item sets to generate association rules, helping businesses create recommendations, design marketing strategies, and optimize inventory. Beyond retail, Apriori is also used in healthcare to identify co-occurrences of diseases, in web usage mining, and fraud detection. 4. Practical examples and real-world use cases. Now that we understand the algorithms, let's explore some fascinating real-world applications. Customer segmentation with K-means. Retail store dashboard analyzing customer data. K-means clustering is extensively used in customer segmentation. Retailers group their customers into clusters based on their purchasing behavior, allowing for targeted marketing strategies. Document categorization using hierarchical clustering. Large document archive, categorized into clusters. Hierarchical clustering is used to organize large document collections into categories. It helps in sorting documents into a hierarchy based on similarities. Market basket analysis with Apriori algorithm. Grocery store checkout data being analyzed. Apriori helps businesses in market basket analysis. By analyzing transaction data, it reveals item combinations frequently bought together, allowing businesses to create promotional deals. Other applications: healthcare and fraud detection. Bank. Fraud detection system interface. Apriori can also be applied in fraud detection, identifying unusual transaction patterns. In healthcare, it helps in finding patterns of disease co-occurrence, aiding diagnostics. 5. Conclusion recap and a dynamic summary. Unsupervised learning algorithms like K-means, hierarchical clustering, and Apriori are incredibly powerful tools. They help us uncover patterns and associations that we wouldn't notice at first glance. Whether it's grouping customers for personalized ads, organizing massive amounts of data, or detecting potential fraud, these algorithms transform how we understand and interact with data. And the best part? No supervision required. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and machine learning. And types of unsupervised learning, clustering algorithms, K-means, hierarchical clustering, versus association algorithms, Apriori. Scatter plots for K-means clustering with moving centroids. Dendrogram for hierarchical clustering, showing a tree-like structure. Supermarket scene for Apriori algorithm, market basket analysis. Case real-world applications, retail customer segmentation, document categorization, fraud detection interface, healthcare diagnostic systems. Clustering and association graphics. Data points clustered into groups, arrows connecting associated data.